Oh, hello. It's Saturday evening. And it is still smoky here. Very smoky. We went on an epic shopping trip today with Kristen. We went to a shopping area that we don't normally go to. It's pretty far away. And we went to a bunch of different stores. We went to a different restore that we don't normally go to. I didn't find anything, but you know Kristen did. She loves her pottery. And she loves her dishes. So she got some stuff. We went to Plato's Closet, which I think is in like different areas of the country. Like it's kind of like a chain. I didn't find anything in there. I wasn't in the mood to pick through junk today. So I didn't get anything. She didn't get anything either. But then we hit our usual stores. We went to Aldi. So at Aldi, we got a bunch of bread. I got my organic boulet. Mark got some of this seed bread that he likes. I guess this is kind of like Ezekiel, but not really. No, it's not. What is it like? Dave's, but without the glyphosate? Yeah. Some Wild Wonders. We didn't get any lettuce. I'm still too afraid. So everybody has been getting into this real tea lately. Kristen's really loving it. I told her to try it, and now she is hooked on it. Now they have like different fun flavors. Like this one is Blue Raspberry Jolly Rancher. I know when I went to BJ's, I almost got like the Morgan Wallen one, which had like 3 fun flavors in a case. But I ended up just getting like the boring flavors, which I'm fine with. So everybody's really getting into it. Even Sean. That's his drink of choice now. If we have soda or if we have the tea, he'll go for the tea. I think it's because it has a bigger can too. And I like it because there's no deposit on it, which is nice. We got some walnuts. We got some organic beans here. We got some yogurt for Bowie's little treat thing. We got him the frozen. It's like a Kong, and it comes with a little ice cube tray that you put stuff for them to freeze in there, and then when you want them to be occupied for like 15 to 20 minutes, you pop out one of the cubes and you put it in there, and it takes them like 20 minutes to lick it out from there, which is nice because it keeps them busy and it doesn't make the heinous chewing, aggressive chewing on the videos, so we love that. Some diced tomatoes with green chilies. I got some lemons. I already gave one to Chris. A little rat didn't open my bag. Kristen did. Alright, so also from Aldi, some French fries. They also had these dill pickle fries. And they had quinoa veggie blend. They also had a Soul one, but spelled like S-E-O-U-L. But it had a lot of soy sauce in it, I think. So I took a pass on that one and I went with the quinoa. Alright, so that was a pretty good shopping trip to Aldi. After Aldi, we went over to Walmart to see if they had any more of the vegan meats on sale. Because I didn't tell you this because I didn't film a grocery haul last week, but we hit the jackpot at Walmart. I mean, they were clearing out all of their vegan fake meats. Boxes of chicken nuggets for like 50 cents. So like we stocked up big. So today we went to a different Walmart, but they didn't have anything on clearance. They must have already gotten rid of all of their clearance stuff, because it looked like they were reorganizing the freezer section a little bit. But I did find this guilty pleasure accidentally vegan Papa John's garlic sauce. Whoa, Kristen got one of these too because this looks amazing. Is it healthy? No. But do you eat just a little bit of it? Yes. I also got some coconut yogurt. I got some organic pickles from Woodstock brand. This is a great brand. They don't put, oh aluminum in their pickles, which is a plus. Walmart had the Philadelphia chive and onion cream cheese, which they don't have at our ShopRite anymore, so we got that. Yes, please. And it was like half the price that it normally is. Mark got some special butter for him. We got some plant-based cheddar and Moz. This is the Walmart brand, Better Goods, which is pretty good. They should name it Pretty Good. I've really been getting into the peas and carrots lately. Thank you, Mark. That's his favorite. They didn't have the Goya vegan yellow rice mix, so I got the Old El Paso Spanish rice mix, which is accidentally vegan. Sean got a Captain Crunch, and he insisted on getting a Pirate's Booty. The only reason why he wanted this was because it had Pikachu on it. We got some kettle sauce. And they didn't have my Italian flour, so I got an organic King Arthur flour. Hopefully it'll be okay. Then last stop was the best stop. And that was Sam's Club. Oh, I got a hat. I can never have enough hats. Because, sorry, I had to pick that up. I don't want, I've had surgery on my head in the last 2 years, so like you're not supposed to be going out in the sun because that's like fresh virgin baby skin there. So you really have to protect that. So I always, pretty much always, wear a hat. I keep an emergency one in my car for when I have to go and I know I'm going to be standing in the sun for longer than a minute or two. So it's nice to have extra hats around. I got this from the Friosk. These are my favorite, these Zeiss lens wipes. Wonderful. Mark got some Omegas. We got the cheap potato chips. I don't have a problem with that. These walnuts were marked down to like $9 for this giant bag. I want to make some walnut bread maybe. I was all out of the Made Good mornings, so I got some more of those. Did we get anything else at Walmart? Well, even if we didn't get anything else at Walmart, we ate at the Walmart cafe. We haven't done that in the longest time. We were reminiscing about how when they built that Sam's Club, did I say Walmart cafe? It's Sam's Club cafe. When they first built that Sam's Club, we used to eat there all the time. The kids were super small. I think Sean was still in the stroller, maybe even a front carrier, and the girls were probably only a couple of years old. Kristen was maybe 6, 7, and we used to go there every weekend, and we would wait for a table to sit down because they only had 3 picnic tables set up, you know, the ones like that they sold in the store. And we would always get like a full Walmart pizza and have our dinner there. Because it's a cheap night out for a family of 5 when you have not 2 nickels to rub together. So it was a good time. It was a nice reminiscence. It's much different now. They have a lot more tables. And I have to say the food's probably not as good as it was back then. Those were the days. I mean, you couldn't beat like a 75-cent hot dog back then. I mean, I wouldn't eat that now, obviously, because I've been vegan for like 12, 13 years. But back then, when you were struggling, it was a nice struggle meal. It felt like a fancy struggle meal because you felt like you were eating out at a restaurant, even though it was Sam's Club. And you didn't have to do dishes or anything. You didn't have to do cooking, and it didn't break the bank either, so I like it. I liked it, and I like it. I had a pretzel today. Most of a pretzel. And a Diet Dr. Pepper, another guilty pleasure of mine. So I'm going to watch my daughter stream now. She's streaming right now, so I got to go. Oh, hi.
Hold tight. That's fine. Hold tight. Go.
It's been a very long day today.
Yeah, Mondays are like a marathon, honestly.
Yeah.
Trying to catch up on...
Sorry, I don't want the camera to like focus on these things.
Trying to catch up on the live feeds after being away for a day. It's rough.
The camera does not know what to focus on right now.
Sorry, camera. But it is worth it to have that Sunday.
It's like going
off.
like this.
Well, can you click on the screen to make it focus?
There we go.
I don't know why you didn't just do that.
I don't know.
You just wanted to test it. It's just a test.
I'm not exactly a trained camera aficionado.
Well, we had a fun day yesterday. I don't think we vlogged about this,
No, we
but we
didn't.
saw Dear Evan Hansen.
Wow, that was such a good musical.
It was awesome. I had never seen the show before or
Me
the
neither.
movie. I knew somewhat about the premise, but not really like the finer details. And I hadn't listened to the cast recording or the movie soundtrack all the way through. I just heard like a few songs here and there, but it was a beautiful, beautiful musical.
Right.
And I also,
It was very dramatic at
yes,
times.
but it also had a good amount of like comic relief, so it was a great balance.
Right.
The music was fantastic. The actors in this
Also-
particular production.
Also, the theater that we went to had a table out front for mental health,
Yes.
which was nice.
Yeah, they always do that when the show is going to have like some,
mental health element.
yeah,
in it.
definitely. So,
So in case anybody gets triggered, or
yeah, they can talk to somebody, so that's
or
really
maybe
cool of
you
them.
know they just want to be available.
Yeah.
So that was cool.
It was excellent. Highly, highly recommend. I'm sure you guys are like, yeah, we know. Wow, you think Dear Evan Hansen's amazing.
We didn't see the movie. Now I want to see the movie and see how they handled the movie.
I've heard that the movie is like,
Not great.
I mean, there's some things that just play better on stage. Also, I think the decision to have Ben Platt be in the movie when he's like,
He's like an old man already.
yeah, I think that was probably not the right call.
No.
But I do want to see the movie too.
Yeah.
Our movie list is just stacking up because we got to see Bridges of Madison County.
Oh my
We got to
God.
see Dear Evan Hansen.
We could go on, and I think we did last time about how good Bridges of Madison County was.
Yeah, I mean, this season at the Playhouse,
It's the 80th
they're
season.
killing it. Really
I mean, they're really doing it justice.
fantastic lineup, and they are delivering on the shows.
And our next show is Hairspray, which Daddy Mark and I are huge fans of the movie.
Me too.
Okay.
John Waters.
Well, I can only speak for myself and my lover. Thank you for making the throw-up face.
The original movie is great. The musical movie is also a lot of fun, but you just can't beat the original.
Right.
It's so good. But Hairspray was the first musical that I saw on Broadway, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Well, now I'm wondering if Hairspray,
Yeah.
the book, was based on a German film called Zucca Baby,
Oh,
which means sugar baby in German, because we watched that movie and it seemed very similar.
oh really? I mean, it could be based on the same like source material.
Yeah.
Could be.
Yeah. So I'm just really looking forward to that, because that's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, we have a lot of fun stuff coming up in the next 2 weeks.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got some birthday shout-outs.
All right.
How did you survive the storm on Saturday?
Okay. We didn't end up getting as much rain as like the city did. I felt so bad seeing the videos from New York City.
know.
All the flooding and everything.
Down where we used to live, they really got flooded.
It was awful. But luckily for us, we did not really get as much of that. So it wasn't too bad.
Mm-hmm.
And now the air quality is a little bit better today as well.
Hopefully
so
it'll stay this way,
yeah.
because it's really freaky to see the sun blocked out
Yeah,
during the day.
for sure.
Alright, no shout-out for today.
Okay.
But for Tuesday, we have a shout-out, and that is for Christina Glansberg.
Christina, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Christina. I see you don't want us to know how old you are.
Totally fair. Nothing wrong with that.
I'm yanking your chain. You just, you didn't mention it, so I'm sure you're actively not keeping it from us. Or are you?
If she is, that's
Good
her
for her.
prerogative.
Exactly. So happy birthday, Christina. And on Wednesday, we have another birthday shout out, and that is for John Gamage.
John, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, John. Also does not want us to know how old he is.
To each their own.
Exactly. And then Thursday we got nothing except somebody's going home on Big Brother. So I hope you two birthday recipients are living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
And anybody who we didn't mention, big up yourself.
Yeah.
So you got anything else to add?
Not that I can think of off the top of my head. I'm still very like
I know.
from doing my live stream for Big Brother.
I mean, she literally just finished her live stream like 10 minutes ago.
Yes.
And I know we're having a power-packed video for tomorrow for the crochet channel.
We have a lot of fun stuff to share.
Don't look.
We have a lot of fun plushies to talk about.
Yeah,
so
it's going to be a lot of fun. So,
looking forward to that.
pretty much everything that we're showing is new, I'm pretty sure.
Mostly.
Everything is new.
There might
Well,
be
except for maybe one thing.
one or two repeats, but
Yeah.
a lot of new stuff.
Oh, I love that, to be able to show the new stuff.
I know.
All right.
So, thank you everybody so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Sorry it was short, but it was a crazy weekend.
Yeah. We hope you have a wonderful week. And until next time,
Much love. Bye, everybody.